Hello there everyone, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change numbering in Canva. So it's very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So let's say first let's type in T enter and let's type in you can see at the top section you can see the option that says list. Let's tap in there and let's tap it again. So if you double click, there will be like number. So let's tap in some random name and enter. As you can see, it is automatically r- point out the number. So you can simply type in another name and again hit enter. Likewise, all the name will be there. All you have to do is hit enter and keep on putting the data. So this is how you put on the numbering. Now in case if you want to change it, you can simply tap in this three dot bar and go to this. First select all of this and then let's go to this list. Again, see there, it has been changed into bullet points. If you want to change it into number, then go back again. So this is how to change numbering in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.